Greetings to you all beautiful souls still in the mode of Christmas. I say Merry Christmas to you all. Let's line another beautiful style. What is on my hand is second material for lines of second material 90. So I divided it just 10 80. Okay, just take little part. So what I did there on my head, take out little part, place it on your head, then took like 3-4 pleats depending on what you want. I want to close the back, so I took just 3 pleats to be precise. Arrange your pleats, then taking everything to the back itself, that little side, that 10 part, I tuck it into this longer part. I didn't knot it, I folded it, twisted it, and then bring everything to the front. While I continue the twist, you can see I didn't knot it at the back, so I continue the twist as I brought it to the front. I'm going to twist and get it all round. Alright, so look at it now, pay attention. This head wrap is very simple but elegant. Trust me, it's always simple but it will come out beautiful. Alright, so twisting it and getting it all round now, I tuck it in from the down and bring it out, the remaining part. I didn't tuck it from down. You can as well do it from down, but I want to do it from the up. So I stretch this part out now. I stretch it out. Watch closely. I stretch everything out. Then taking the edge, one of the edge, I pin it down. Okay, watch closely. I took my office pin and pin it down. Our head wrap is getting ready. Alright, I pin it down. Then this other edge now, see this part now, I fold it in, then use office pin and hold it. Our head wrap is getting ready. What is left now is for you to adjust it, okay, until you get the desired shape that you want. Anywhere you see that is not relaxing the way you want, pick up your office pin and hold it there. Whether they like it or not, they must be in their position. Alright, look at what I'm doing there now. That place is fine, so I have to use office pin to hold it. Alright, thank you very much, the person you're hearing her voice. If this is the first time you're coming across my video, it's Demi Girl Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Alright, so taking good care of the back now. You see how the back look like, just tucking the excesses and you're good to go. So this is it. Yes, so please do well to drop your like and your comment on the comment section. Please help me to stay tuned while we rock it together. Learn how to do your head wrap all by yourself. Operation DIY all by yourself. Alright, so with this same base you can do another side. Just remove the excesses and this part now, squeeze it down very well, bring it down very well and rufus it, and you have a very beautiful small rufus, but beautiful. Alright, so pay attention to what I am doing now. I really thank you all my subscribers, both new ones, I welcome you, old ones, I welcome you. Thanks so much for being there for me. And those of you who is still watching and have not subscribed yet, please just press that subscription button and you are with me so that we'll learn together. Alright, so you can see the second style is ready. So this second style and the first one, which one do you prefer? Both are wonderful. See you in my next video.